Hi there, I'm Nick from Pest Register. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose and resolve accounting errors. Accounting providers may occasionally return errors for many different reasons. We have built a new and improved logging process to ensure any problems are documented and resolvable between our system and your accounting provider. Let's take a look at how to diagnose and resolve an accounting error. Accounting logs can be found in Settings. Click on the Accounting Provider button and then click View Sync Logs. This will bring up a list of successful and failed syncs, ordered by when they were last performed. Clicking on one of the logs will bring up its details, including the sync date, a reference number if you need to contact us, and any errors if applicable. As you can see in this example, I performed a full sync with MYOB and an error occurred. If we click on this error in the red box, you can see specifically what went wrong. The error says, failed to save MYOB client to Pest Register, validation failed, and then underneath it, the email address must be a valid email address. From this, we can assume that it failed to sync changes from a client on MYOB to Pest Register. If we look at the provider item details list, you can see why it failed. The email address sent from MYOB is not in a valid format. Let's click on View and Fix Client. This will take us to the client's dialog. However, to fix this specific error, I must fix the problem in MYOB. Fast forward and I've now opened the client on MYOB. And as you can see, my client has 2 email addresses. However, Pest Register only supports 1. In this specific example, I will delete the extra email address and click Save. Once you believe you have fixed the problem, you can perform a manual sync on the item to resolve the issue in Pest Register. Give it a moment, and there you go. The red error has disappeared from the client's dialog, and if we go back to our sync logs, you'll notice that the previous error has now been marked as resolved. Another way to identify items which may have failed to sync is to open that specific module, in this case the client list, and you'll see that I have another item highlighted in red. Once again, I would follow the same process as I just performed. Understand what the error is, and if necessary, fix the problem on Pest Register or in the accounting provider. This time, the reference number of my client is too long to sync to MYOB. So I'll edit my client, change the reference number, and click Save. Hopefully it should now begin to automatically sync to MYOB. We recommend reading our guides for more details about resolving accounting errors and understanding what your accounting provider can and cannot sync with Pest Register. Thanks for watching.